Good morning, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana. I'm making another video today. This video today is going to be how to build a outboard motor lift for a museum I'm creating in my man cave here at Toledo Bend Lake. So if everybody's ready, here we go. So I'm out here on beautiful Toledo Bend Lake this morning, doing a little vacation time. Got a lot of projects going on. Got a tree cut down. Got my log splitter set up, splitting some logs. And I decided to work on my vintage outboard motor museum inside my man cave here. So I'm gonna take you for a view of that right now. And I've decided to build a lift into a loft area I have inside my man cave here. I had a pulled down stairwell right here. I removed the stairwell, pulled out stairwell to make an opening, and I put me a lift motor up in the upper area there. So I'm going to take you up into my loft and give you an overview of how I build that lift so I can make me a museum. I built a stairway up to the loft here. So let's go up there and I'll show you the progress of my museum for vintage outboard motors. Turn the light switch on. And here we go, up into the museum. Okay, Dad, here's the progress report on the Vintage Outboard Museum. I got my racks built on both sides of the walls to hang my motors. And I got my lift put up. Here's a motor hanging from it right now. There's the lift motor. I'll put it on a track. Bolted a 2x4 with the Unistrut 1200 track in. Got the motor on it with the strap. Here's my trap door with hinges that I just lift up and open. There's the bottom down in the man cave. So all I gotta do, push my motor over the hole in the floor. Comme ça. Grab my controls. And drop her down. And there she is, down on the floor. Now I'm going to lift her back up. There she is, lifted up. And I just gotta pull her over and she's ready to take off the rack. T-Mike Vintage Outboard Museum lift motor project is complete. So the lift project is complete. Now I'm going to start on the renovation. I'm going to put some paneling on the ceiling. I think I'm going to do cypress wainscoting up to the 4-foot level right here, and then find me some old rustic tin to put on the top of it, so to give it that outdoorsy look. And then I'm gonna fill it with motors. I actually have 28 vintage motors outside of my trailer that's gonna come up here. That'll be the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Remember, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. And there's the one motor. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.